Kate. Here's a quick video to show you how to add links to the destination page. So here, if you log into the admin area, you see over here on the left navigation that there's an area for links. So let's just click that and take a look at all links so you can see what it is that you already have. So here you see a list of links, the name of the link, the URL that they're associated with, and then category of the link. There's also some information here that you can see if the link is visible or not somewhere on the site, and how many hits a specific link has, so how many times it's being clicked. So for example, if we want to just look at the destination images, we can go to this categories drop down and go to destinations and filter for this so that we see all the destinations in one place. This will also give you a sense of how valuable of a link this is, because here you have how many times these links have ever been clicked. So considering that none of these really have that many clicks, you might even want to consider a redesign of that page, or even getting rid of that page completely and having some sort of other navigation to these different destinations. But that said, that's up to you. I'll just show you how you can make one of these. So for example, if you want to figure out how to make one of these links, the best thing to do is just to go and actually look at how one is created already. So let's look at Australia. Right, so here's what Australia looks like, and you see that it has a name, Australia. It has the web address, so where the link will actually be pointed towards. So you have here the Australia category. You could add a description, but you haven't done that here. There's some other things that you could set, but it looks like it's all just standard. And then there's a place here to upload an image, or here's where the image is for this, which should look relatively familiar as the background image to on the links page. And then here's the categories, and you have to make sure that destinations is clicked. Again, you can see here the target has none, so it's just going to open in the same window. Yeah, you can look at all these settings, but it looks like it's all pretty standard. This advanced place I think you don't need. It's the image address, but that's probably just what's above. Anyway, so this is what a link is looking like as far as how to make it. So if we go back over here to the list of links, we can say add new. And based on what we learned about how links are already set up, we can set up a new one. So let's just name this one Judson, be a web address. For example, you didn't use a description before, so I want to use one here. Again, none of this was set before, so I wouldn't set it here. Current link image, now it doesn't say anything, so if you want to do a manual image upload, click this button to launch a media uploader. Here's where you would then upload an image, but let's just say that this most recent image is the image of Judson, because I'm not going to upload anything here. But anyway, you would just click that image and say select. So now we'll see that that image is being associated with this link. And the most important part here is at making sure that you hit the destinations category. Looks like here this none was indicated previously, so you can indicate it here. Yeah, look in here, it's already just populating the image address here, since we already selected it up above. So yeah, so if you do all this, then you will go and click add link, and it should automatically be then displayed with the proper formatting on the destinations page. The reason it will do that is that on the destinations page, it just has a little short code that says list all links that are in the category of destinations. And so when you create this link and you give it a category of destinations, then it'll automatically populate there as well. If you don't see it, then you might want to clear your cache just by coming up here to auto optimize and say delete cache. There might also be some sort of caching, flush cache with GoDaddy as well, so you might want to hit those two, delete cache with auto optimize, and under GoDaddy do flush cache, and then refresh your browser in an incognito browser so that you also don't have any saved cache inside the browser in your local storage, and then you should be able to see that the link is there. And that is how you make a new link. And I will just
I will not save this one, of course. But if you have any